When it comes to safeguarding your home in Miami Beach, enhancing your security should always be a priority. While many homeowners focus on alarm systems, cameras, and outdoor lighting, one crucial element that often gets overlooked is the windows. In a city like Miami Beach, where homes are exposed to both natural elements and potential break-ins, upgrading to new windows can play a significant role in enhancing the security of your home. In addition to improving energy efficiency and curb appeal, new windows can offer several advantages when it comes to increasing your home's safety. Here's how new windows can help improve Miami Beach home security, keeping your family and property protected. Stronger materials for enhanced protection. One of the most significant ways new windows improve security is through the use of stronger materials that resist breakage. Older windows, especially those with single-pane glass or outdated framing, are much more vulnerable to impact, making them an easy entry point for intruders. However, new windows are made with durable, impact-resistant materials that can significantly reduce the likelihood of forced entry. Modern windows are often made from multi-layered glass, including tempered or laminated glass that is much more difficult to break compared to traditional glass. Laminated glass, for instance, is made by sandwiching a plastic layer between two panes of glass, making it incredibly tough. Even if an intruder tries to break the window, the glass will shatter into small pieces, but the window will remain intact, making it much harder for someone to gain access to your home. Improved locking mechanisms. New windows come equipped with modern, secure locking mechanisms that are designed to be more resistant to tampering than older locks. Traditional window locks can be relatively easy to pick or force open, but newer models feature enhanced security features such as multi-point locking systems that lock the window at multiple points along the frame. For homeowners in Miami Beach, where hurricane-prone weather is a concern, the ability to secure your windows during stormy conditions is equally important. Many new windows designed for both security and storm protection come with robust locking systems that provide extra resistance against wind, debris, and forced entry. This added layer of security helps prevent burglars from opening or bypassing the lock, giving you peace of mind knowing your windows are more secure. Increased privacy and reduced visibility. Another benefit of installing new windows is the ability to enhance your privacy. Older windows with worn-out seals or cracks can create vulnerabilities where others can see into your home. For instance, if your windows are made of clear glass, anyone walking by can easily look inside, exposing your valuable possessions and compromising your privacy. New windows offer better options for maintaining privacy. Many modern window designs come with features like frosted glass, window tinting, or reflective coatings that limit the visibility into your home. This means passers-by can't see inside, even if they are standing right outside your windows. Additionally, windows with better seals help prevent burglars from prying open gaps or accessing the window frame. Impact-resistant glass for storm protection. Miami Beach is known for its hurricane season, and securing your home against extreme weather is just as important as protecting it from intruders. New windows often come with impact-resistant glass, designed to withstand the force of high winds and flying debris during hurricanes and tropical storms. This type of glass not only provides protection from weather events but also serves as a strong deterrent against break-ins. Since impact-resistant glass is incredibly difficult to break, a burglar would have a much harder time attempting to force their way into your home. By investing in windows that offer both storm and security protection, you're effectively protecting your home from multiple threats at once. Enhanced insulation and energy efficiency. While not directly related to security, energy-efficient windows contribute to the overall safety of your home. Older windows often have gaps and poor insulation, which can lead to drafts and make your home more susceptible to temperature fluctuations. This creates an environment that can be uncomfortable and less secure because burglars often target homes that look uninhabited or poorly maintained. By upgrading to new, energy-efficient windows, you ensure that your home is well insulated and comfortable year-round. Well-maintained homes are less likely to attract unwanted attention from intruders. Plus, if your windows are designed to withstand extreme weather, your home will be less prone to damage during storms, which could otherwise leave you vulnerable to security risks. Smart technology for added security. Many new windows are equipped with the latest smart technology, which can further enhance your home security. For instance, there are windows available that come with integrated sensors that can detect when a window has been opened or tampered with. These smart windows can alert you via your smartphone or home security system, notifying you of any potential breaches. Additionally, some window systems can be linked to your home's smart security system, enabling you to monitor and control your windows remotely. This is particularly useful if you travel frequently or want an added layer of convenience in managing your home's security. Final thoughts. Upgrading to new windows is a smart investment that can significantly improve the security of your Miami Beach home. Whether it's the enhanced strength of impact-resistant glass, the added protection of modern locking mechanisms, or the added privacy that comes with new window designs, these upgrades will help keep your family and belongings safe. With the added benefit of storm protection and energy efficiency, new windows provide comprehensive security and peace of mind in Miami Beach's dynamic environment. By working with a trusted window installation company, you can select the right windows to meet both your security needs and aesthetic preferences. If you're ready to enhance the security of your home, consider replacing your old windows with modern, high-performance models that provide the protection you deserve.